Hey guys, welcome to Colorful's booth at COMPUTEX 2026. Guys, see who do we have over here. Hi Sujay, how are you, man?
Hi,
long time, huh?
Long time, yes.
Yes.
I'm so happy to have you at our booth.
Thank you for inviting me and my audience as well.
Hi everyone. Welcome to COMPUTEX.
Yes.
Welcome to visit Colorful booth.
So guys, Sujay has some very interesting stuff to show us today in this video. Sujay, why don't you give like a quick tour and tell us what is new at your place this time?
Definitely. See, this year Colorful is showing something very interesting.
Okay.
Which they have never shown before in earlier COMPUTEX. We are not just showcasing the products this time. We are showcasing something beyond product, which is the entire ecosystem that Colorful has come up with in their product.
That's a nice thinking actually, not just the product but the entire ecosystem. Now I'm excited for this.
So why not you take a quick look?
Yes guys, so let's actually get inside with Sujay and check out the place. Okay, so the first thing that I check out after coming to their booth is this entire ecosystem, just as how Sujay was saying, right? This time Colorful is not just showcasing their individual products, but they're actually showcasing how the entire ecosystem nicely blends into your day-to-day life. I mean, look at this. By looking at this setup, you might be wondering, hey, what's new over here? But let me tell you, you see that wooden desk over here? That is actually a MOD, guys, a mod from Colorful. It is a complete PC that neatly integrates into your living room. I mean, how cool is that? You can even check out their Igame Ultra logo. This thing is entire PC, guys. It's got like motherboard, CPU, GPU, everything. I'm not sure if you can see from the bottom side, but it also has like radiator fans on the bottom, which are also customizable. That is so cool, right? A normal guy would never be able to spot like, hey man, that is actually a PC karke. You can even check out the whole model info. It is called as a Colorful DR90 and features like AMD's Ryzen 5 CPU along with a GeForce RTX 5060 Ti Battle Axe edition. And rest of the specs are on the screen. And not just the MOD, but you also have like a mini PC as well. And this is Colorful's Igame mini PC, powered by AMD Ryzen platform and paired with an RTX 5060 Ti, the mini W edition. Features 8 gigs of VRAM. Very compact and very sleek, right? See, if you're looking for a gaming PC or a mini PC that neatly integrates into your home or maybe like your living room, right? Shouldn't disturb the whole environment. This is something you can look at. So that was the whole idea about Colorful's products. So over here we have a brand new Igame Ultra Zero complete gaming PC setup. So previously we might have seen plenty of Colorful products, components which were like the graphic cards and stuff. Now they've completely made like a full-on gaming PC setup, guys. So not just the GPU, motherboard or the cooler, but even the entire case, the power supply, everything is from Colorful. Like how cool is that? You've got the complete Igame Ultra theme over here. And comes in a beautiful panoramic style tempered glass panel, curved panel all the way from left to right profile. Very beautiful, gives an immersive sort of look at the PC. And just as I've told you, not just the PC, we've got the other peripherals, everything also from Colorful lined up. And get a look at this. So previously we only had like white edition in the Igame Ultra series, right? Now they also launched like complete black edition also, like the black color GPU, black edition case and black colored components. Very nice. People looking for black combinations, black and green, black and purple. You guys can have a look at this thing. Next, moving on, we've got some laptops lined up from Colorful. So these are the Rimbook series made for like consumers, guys, the non-GPU edition, and they're basically like very portable. You've got like multiple models over here, like the Rimbook S1 Plus and also L1 Plus. Very lightweight, ultra thin notebooks is what I can say. They're based on AMD's Ryzen platform and feature like decently good hardware. On board, you're getting like 14 inches display, and that too with like full HD resolution at 60 Hz and most of these are like IPS LCD displays. So keeping the Rimbook aside, we also have some gaming series laptops. I'm pretty sure you might have already seen them last year also at COMPUTEX 2025. So here we have the Igame gaming laptops, guys, that to the M16 series. We have the M15 Origo and that one is the M16 Origo 2026 edition. And let me tell you, the M15 Origo over here that is showcased, right, it is actually powered by Intel's newest Core Ultra 9 300 series platform. Literally the Core Ultra 9 386H, guys, super powerful beast is what I can say. Comes in this beautiful white finishing and on board you are getting like powerful hardware. GeForce RTX 5070 mobile GPU paired with like a 15.3 inches, 2560 by 1600 up to 300 Hz high refresh rate. That also supports like 100% sRGB color gamut range. Beautiful laptops, right? Same thing is also available in 16 inches, also the M16. And I believe this is powered by Intel's Core Ultra 200 series platform, the HX Plus variant. Not just Origo, we also have the Evolve series gaming laptops, Evolve X16 Pro, and also one more Evolve series, guys, the P16 Pro. The X16 Pro features like a metal top cover, beautiful design, comes in this nice grey sort of finishing, and comes with like a 16 inches WQHD display, guys, with up to 180 Hz refresh rate. On board, you're getting 16 gigs of DDR5 RAM, a TB of PCI Gen 4 SSD, and not to forget, this is also powered by Intel's Core Ultra platform 200 series. Pair that with like an RTX 5060 GPU over there. And coming to the P16 Pro, this is also powered by Intel's Core i9 13900 HX variant, guys, and is paired with an RTX 5070 GPU. So you can do some excellent 1440p gaming on these laptops. Moving on, we've got some amazing peripherals as well. Mech series, the Magnix series, and all of these have like beautiful color scheme. Check out the themes, guys. We got the Lilo edition as well. I really love this purple and pink sort of color scheme. You know, goes well with a purple sort of gaming PC setup. It's a mechanical keyboard, and I believe this is a wired plus wireless edition, guys. You can either use it in Bluetooth or 2.4G mode is also there. Lots of models, guys, just quickly have a look. And good thing is the switches on board are also swappable, so that is definitely an added benefit to the customization. Okay, I'm definitely enjoying the whole experience over here, and moving on, guys, take a look at this section. This is ColorFire's Meow themed zone. Let's actually head inside and check out the different Meow themed gaming PCs. In case if you people remember, last year also we got to check out some beautiful Meow series gaming PCs, right? So this time Colorful is featuring their 3rd gen Meow Gaming PC. So this one over here, I believe, is the 1st gen ColorFire Meow PC. That one over there is the 2nd gen, but now this one over here is the newest 3rd edition to their gaming PC introductions, guys, powered by like AMD Ryzen platform, that's the Ryzen 7 9800X 3D, and paired with an RTX 5060 Ti. Just check out the whole artwork and the color scheme. Beautiful, right? I believe this 2nd gen, this particular gaming PC is already available in the Indian market, and this is going to be introduced very soon. Hopefully it comes very soon to Indian market, because I'd love to make a video on this product. I mean, look at the interiors, beautiful looking AIO, Meow series design everywhere, white and orange, absolutely elegant and very cute. Wait a second, are you kidding me? Colorful is actually making audio products? I mean, look at this. We've got like ColorFire sound bars and also some DAC systems from their ColorFly segment. Oh my god, guys, have a look at this thing. Sound bars from a gaming company. I was totally not expecting that. It has a very transparent sort of look and feel, glass panels on the front with customizable RGB lighting. So we got multiple models over here, and some of them even have like RGB light strips on the bottom side, available in black edition, white edition as well. And these are the DACs I was talking about. ColorFly DAC, available in 2 different models, very tiny and compact. And there you go, there's also like an IEM made by the brand, guys. So especially if you are a guy who uses a lot of in-ear monitors, right, professional sort of wired earphones. So these sort of earphones or headphones have like high impedance, so you cannot directly use them on your tablet, PC, or even smartphones, guys. In between, you'll need to use something called as a DAC. So this is the DAC I was talking about. This is like a high quality amplifier that matches the impedance with the headphones and your device that you're using, and produces like amazing quality sound. I believe this is like a 32-bit DAC. I'm not sure about the exact profile, but this is definitely like a hi-fi quality DAC. Moving on, we've got some more gaming laptops in the ColorFire Meow series. I believe all of these are AMD Ryzen platform powered. So we've got like the Meow R16 Pro and also the Meow R16 Ultra as well. And all of these are powered like NVIDIA's RTX 5070 and 5060 GPUs, guys. Look at this beautiful color scheme, right? I like the design on the touchpad also. And look at the display. I believe you're getting like 16 inches WQHD, 180 Hz high refresh rate display. So not just gaming laptops, ColorFire also has other accessories and peripherals as well, like mouse, keyboard, some other accessories. And look at this, graphic cards. The GeForce RTX 50 series graphic cards in ColorFire Meow series edition, white and orange theme. Oh my god, they also have like RAM also, Meow series RAM. So moving from the ColorFire series, here you can check out all the individual components, guys. You people know, right? Colorful has like multiple different series. We've got their Battle Axe series, Igame Ultra series as well, and they've displayed all of their products like the motherboards, GPUs and other components on these walls over here. So starting off with the Battle Axe series, here we've got like a couple of motherboards lined up. I believe you've already seen a couple of them. These are the B860 series, B850 series, available in both AMD and Intel variants, so choice is up to you. And I believe all of these are like M80X variant or smaller form factor motherboards made for like small form factor PC cases. And not just motherboards, we also have like graphic cards, RAM from the Battle Axe series. You got dual fan edition, triple fan edition GPUs available in like multiple variants, 5060, 5070. So you'll have to check out their website for more details. And not just the RAM memory modules, but look at this. We also have like solid state drives, basically M.2 SSDs or PCI Gen series SSDs, also NVMe drives, that too in like multiple variants available in different capacities, 1 TB, 2 TB, so many models are there. Next over here we have the Ultra series lined up, guys. Now this is something you might be excited about, right? Colorful's Igame Ultra series, and here we have some exclusive GPUs as well. So previously Igame Ultra was only available in like white edition, right? White and pink. Now they've also introduced the black edition, also black and pink, and looks very beautiful, guys. I mean, look at the whole vibe going on over here. Love the design on the GPUs. And again, here we have like multiple different variant motherboards. The B850 series, B850M edition is also there in both Ultra, OC and non-OC variant. And get a look at this. This is what I was talking about. 007 edition RTX 5070, and has a very nice artwork. Look at this black and gold edition. You know what? I'd really love to get my hands on this GPU back in India and maybe build a gaming PC around 007 theme. Like, how cool would that be? Let me know in the comment section. And not just 007, we also have like Sena edition components as well. Colorful Sena edition motherboard and also RAM. Beautiful artwork, right? Now, one more main highlight I do have to talk about is, so this year actually marks like Colorful's 30th anniversary, guys, and to celebrate that, they've got a special edition GPU. I believe this is a very limited quantity product and they've made it just to celebrate their anniversary. Look at this, iGame GeForce RTX 5090D edition V2, that to the Arcanix 24GB. And oh my god, guys, look at this. Look at the size of this thing, so big, bulky, massive. Godzilla level GPU, guys. It is a complete block of metal. I mean, literally made of aluminum, and beautiful design and build quality. You got like white finish with silver and gold accents, gold trims, and absolutely love the artwork on it. Very class and minimalistic. And you people already know, right? Colorful's iGame Vulcan series, which literally features like a customizable display at the top side. We've already made a video and even built like a gaming PC using these products back at our place. And these are your Vulcan series motherboards as well in both white and black edition. Not just the Vulcan series, we also have the iGame Advanced Edition GPUs. We have the single fan edition, triple fan variant is also there. We've also made like a detailed review on this particular product, guys. Definitely check it out on my channel. And we've got their iGame Shadow Mark II RAM also. I really love the artwork on this thing. Not to miss out, we also have some mod PCs over here. So last year this sort of design was definitely there, but that was more like a prototype. But now Colorful has told that this is finalized and is actually ready for sale, and this is like a finalized gaming PC unit we have over here. It is like good to go, guys. Plug and play. You also have like a display at the top side, GPU exposed on the front side, gives you like complete hardware information. Love the whole skeletal structure and look and feel. Get a look at this. They've also marked some sort of record breaking history. So they've successfully managed to overclock AMD's Ryzen 7 9850X3D to almost like 7410 megahertz, guys. That is sick. And also they've managed to overclock RAM also DDR5 up to 10,000 megahertz. I believe on this display it is currently showing up to like 8800 MT per second. That is awesome, right? Remember Sego? This is like Colorful's sister brand, and they've got like entire range of peripherals from power supplies to coolers and plenty of other stuff. You've got like white edition power supplies, black edition, and most of them are like 80 plus gold rated. You also have like platinum rated as well, available in different capacities, even up to like 1500 watts also. So many variants are there. And I believe you're also getting some enterprise level hardware also over here. Oh wow, I didn't knew that Sego actually had like solar powered inverters. That is pretty awesome. Nice. And again, these are some enterprise level stuff, guys. You know, enterprise level motherboards made for like long lasting, extra durability and tougher components. And that is pretty much it, boys. Our complete tour of Colorful's booth at COMPUTEX 2026. What do you people think? Which one did you like the most? Let me know in the comment section down below.